Hey Mo, and nice to do a video for you. I have an app that kind of does it as well, so I'm going to use this one instead of using Loom for now. But who knows? I may have to go to Loom. But this is kind of like how I want the landing page to flow, right? So here you see the landing, and then you see caseload, and here where I want the caseload to the name of the student, and then these are the dates of the IPs, but I want them to, once they're uploaded, I want them to go in order of which date is next. So I want it to go kind of like this. It's 12, then it's 2, then it's 3, but this one is out of place. This one should actually be behind this one. So that's how I kind of want that to go. I want the files, whatever files are uploaded, I think I want them to actually have a place to go to all the files that are uploaded. Um, I'll have to think about that one. App users. So this is the teacher's uh, view. So this is how the teachers will see when they sign in. Um, App users, I don't think need to be in the teacher's view. Maybe this, and of course this, and this, and of course reviews. But I think the app user should be in the administration and the facilitators uh, template. I think that's what you mean by template. But this template that you're seeing here is how I want the teachers and all the supporting staff, the psychologists, the occupational therapists, how I want their template to be. Because up here, what I would like is an alert that says Keon Dixon IP is due on December 4th, right? But I want it not only to show on the calendar like this, I want it to be an alert up here. And then I'm going to show you kind of like what that alert looks like. But let's just say I click the calendar. I click the name on the calendar. It'll open up like this and give you the date and everything. But if I go to caseload and I click in here, so it's going to open up that student with the due date, CCFD prior notice. Here, I want to be able to upload the document. And here, CCFD meeting notice, I want to be able to upload this document here. That is if the document hasn't already been uploaded. Here's another form that is able to be uploaded here. The IEP can be uploaded here. I want the goals to already be extractable from the IEP. So the IEP is the entire thing. Once this is uploaded, I want it to extract the goals. So I want the goals to automatically be extracted. If it doesn't extract already, then of course we can upload it. Then benchmarks, accommodations, weekly compliance, I want that to be uploaded. This false, I don't know how this got there. It shouldn't be the word false there. Then there's a BIP, which is really called BIPS and behavior intervention. This will have to be uploaded for the student. If it applies, then teacher messages. Teacher can type in their message, and everybody that's with that student, that's assigned to that student, will be able to read the message, and that everybody will be able to type messages about the student. Here, I don't think there needs to be an upload. Maybe so. Maybe somebody wants to upload something about the student in the message. So yeah, I think that would be good. So basically, that's how when you click on the student card, I'll call it in the caseload. You go from here to here, and you click on the student. Again, the student's name will be there. You click on it, and this is all the information I want in that student card. Files, this is probably only going to be the IEP. So all the IEPs should just populate in the files, and that's it. Don't need to be anything else in the files except for, no, I take that back. The psychs might want to put something in the file. Occupational therapists might want to put something in the file. Everybody that's dealing with that kid, it should be a file for the particular kid, like a folder. So each kid should have its own folder inside the files, and then we can just click on it and see what's in the file. This don't need to be there for the teachers. So let me see if I can show you another app builder that I was working on. So where I said I wanted the alert to be at the top of that calendar, I kind of wanted to say IP reviews and evaluations due within the next 35 days, right? And I want there to be some type of red alert. And it gives a number, 4. But I wanted to say that, and then up under that, I want to have the student, and I want this to automatically be done by the app, that it automatically puts them in order of whose IP is done within the next 35 days, and it be at the top of the landing page. So like this says, Garcia is due on the 30th. I click that again, it has everything in it that I kind of wanted. This one is laid out differently, but once I click the card, here's that parental notice. It says I can upload it here. Well, no, that's download. But anyway, I want it to be able to be uploaded and extractable. Of course, it has the goals and benchmarks here, accommodations, weekly accommodations, compliance verification, general education, teachers note. It's the same, but it's laid out a little differently. So the only reason why I'm showing you this one, though, is because I wanted to show how I kind of wanted the alert, right? I think this is too busy. This is way too much for a teacher landing page. So I want it to be like the other one. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.